Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Aparajita flower for hair. Aparajita, also known as butterfly pea, offers wonderful benefits for your locks. These vibrant blue flowers are packed with antioxidants, which are fantastic for promoting a healthy scalp environment. They can significantly help in stimulating new hair growth and reducing hair fall, giving you fuller, stronger hair. Plus, the natural blue pigment can subtly enhance your hair's natural color, adding a beautiful sheen. To create your own nourishing Aparajita hair oil, begin by gathering about 10 to 15 fresh flowers. Make sure to gently wash them and then pat them completely dry. Next, infuse these dried flowers in 1 cup of a good carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil. Gently heat this mixture over a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until you notice the oil changing to a beautiful blue hue. For a deeply nourishing hair mask, take about 5 to 7 fresh Aparajita flowers and grind them into a smooth, fine paste. Combine this vibrant paste with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or aloe vera gel, both excellent for scalp health. For an added boost of moisture and shine, stir in 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply this wonderful mask evenly to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for about 30 minutes. For optimal results, apply your homemade Aparajita oil to your scalp and hair 2 to 3 times every week. Gently massage the oil into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps stimulate blood circulation. For maximum absorption and benefits, it's best to leave the oil on overnight. When you're ready, rinse your hair thoroughly using a mild shampoo and lukewarm water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.